So today I was surfing and got stung by a sea urchin. I was able to remove all the barnacles using these tweezers. You can see the barnacles, they are pretty big. You can see probably 8 or 9 here, but there were other 5 or 10 missing from the camera. I was able to remove these barnacles with a good pair of tweezers. You really need good tweezers, otherwise it's impossible to get them or very difficult. And the secret weapon was this harpoon. Why is that? Because forget about removing them with a needle. It hurts way too much. It was also very helpful having some vinegar with me. So once I have removed the barnacles, I simply put my feet here, like this, and it actually didn't hurt, just feels nice. And apparently that will get rid of, that will disintegrate them or neutralize them or do something related to the poison or to the venom or whatever it has on it. How much does this hurt? Well, it hurts a lot. So as you can see, you know, there's still one there, I must say. There's still one in here. This one. So it doesn't hurt though. Hopefully we'll be fine. So it felt like if I cut my feet. Actually it did scratch it, so this is where it got scratched, just right here. And I thought it was gonna I thought it was gonna be bleeding. I didn't know how much, but no, it wasn't bleeding. It was just tons of barnacles inside. I still tried to get that little one that got away, and happy times.